Hi friends, welcome to Bodhanapu Meena's channel. I hope everyone are safe and healthy. In this video, we are going to discuss the techniques to square a given number with 5 in its units place and speed techniques to square any 2-digit number within a fraction of a second. So friends, kindly subscribe, like and share my channel and press the bell button for further notifications. Now let us see a trick to find square of a number with 5 in its units place. If n5 square is the given number, then we can write it as n into n plus 1 and we have to add 5 square next to it as it is. And we will use this method in order to solve few examples to better understand the concept. And we have to keep one thing in mind, so n should not be 0. Our first example is 25 square. So 2 is the n here and 2 into n plus 1 is 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and we have to add 5 square, that is 25. And if we simplify this, even we will get our desired answer. So in order to get our desired answer, we have to write the 25 as it is and we have to add the product of n into n plus 1 before this 25. So the product of n into n plus 1 is 2 into 3 is 6. If we add it before 25, we will get our answer. So our answer is 625. So 25 square is 625. So it is very easy friends. If you use this method, you can solve the squaring a number with 5 in its units place within fraction of a second. Let us see another example, 35 square. The n here is 3 into n plus 1 is 4 and we have to add 5 square next to it. 5 square is 25. If we simplify this, we will get our answer. 5 square is 25. We have to write the 25 as it is and we have to add the product of 3 into 4 before 25, that is 12. So our answer is 1225 is our 35 square. Then let us see another example, 45 square. So n here is 4 and n plus 1 is 5. So 4 into 5 we will get the answer 20. And if we add 5 square next to this, after this 20, we'll get our answer for 45 square. So 5 square is 25. So 2025 is the 45 square. And now let us see another example, 55 square. So 5 into 6, n is 5 and n plus 1 is 6. So the product of both 5 and 6 is 30. We have to write down 30 below and we have to add 5 square, that is 25 next to this 30. So this is our desired answer for 55 square, that is 3025. Friends, let us practice this trick in order to find the square of a number with 5 in its units place. So I have given 5 squares below and you have to use the trick which we have studied before in order to solve within 3 seconds. So the first one is 65 square. Next is 75 square. Third one is 85 square. And the fourth one is 115 square. And the fifth one is 205 square. Try to do it before 3 seconds. Yeah. Now we will see the answers. 5 square, we have to write it as it is. 5 square is 25 and we have to add the product of n into n plus 1 before this 25. So n here is 6 and n plus 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. We have to add the product, that is 6 into 7 is 42 before this 25. So the answer for 65 square is 4225. Next we will see 75 square answer. We have to write the 5 square, that is 25, and before it we have to add the product of 7 and 8 because 7 is n and 8 is n plus 1. So the answer is 5625. That is 75 square is 5625. We will see the answer for 85 square. So 5 square we have to write as usual. Now we have to add the product of 8 into 9, that is 72 before 25. So our answer for 85 square is 7225. Now let us see the square of 115 square. So 5 square we have to write as usual, that is 25, and now we have to write the product of 11 and 12 before 25. So the product of this is 132. So the answer for 115 square is 13,225. Now let us see the answer for 205 square. So 5 square we have to write as usual as 25, and before it we have to add the product of 20 into 21, that is n into n plus 1. So the product of it is 420. So the answer for 205 square is 42,025. So friends, it is very easy. If you practice this, you can solve the square of a number with 5 in its units place within fraction of seconds. So practice well, friends. Now let us see the another trick to find out the square of any 2-digit number. Let us assume AB square is a given number. So we have to find out the square of this AB. Then we can write this as A square and 2 into A into B and B square. And later on we can simplify this in order to get our desired value or desired answer. So we'll better understand this with an example. Let us see the example 32 square. So here A is 3 and B is 2. So we have to write A square, that is 3 square here, and 2 into 3 into 2, and B square is 2 square. So here we'll simplify this in order to get our answer. 3 square gives to 9. Write down 9 below. And 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 2 is 12. Write down 12 below. And next is 2 square. So write down 4 below. Like this. And now we have to simplify this in order to get our desired answer. So while we are simplifying, what we have to do, we have to start from the right towards the left, right? So we will write down 4 in the units place, and 12 is a 2-digit number. So first we will write 2 below, because 2 is in the ones place, we will write it as it is below, and 1 in 12 is carry forward to 9, and we will add this 9 plus 1 to make it 10, and we will write down that 10 below. So our desired answer for 32 square is 1024. So this is very easy, friends. So we will see the next one for better understanding the concept. Next one is 96 square. So here A is 9. So for writing A square, we will write 9 square, and we have to write 2 into AB, right? 2 into 9 into 6. And then we have to write B square. B square is 6 square. Now we will simplify. 6 square is 36. Write down 36 below. And 2 into 9 is 18. And 18 6 is 108. Write down 108 below. And 9 square is 81. Write down 81 below. And now we have got 2 2-digit numbers and 1 3-digit number. See, whatever that is there more than single digit should be carried forward to the next number, to the adjacent number.
So we'll see, and we have to simplify even more in order to get our answer. So what we have to do? We have to write down the 6 in the units place, and then 3 in 36 should be carried forward, and it should be added to 108. So it gives the answer 111. So 1 which is there in the units place in 111 should be written down below, and the remaining 11 should be carried forward to 81. And after adding this 81 with 11, we will get the answer 92. So our answer is 9216 for 96 square. So friends, if you follow this trick, it will be very easy for you to do simplifications. So let us practice this squaring of any 2-digit number with few more examples. First one is 64 square, and the second one is 46 square. So you have to try to solve this within 4 seconds, friends. So now we will see the answer. A square is 6 square, and 2ab, that is 2 into 6 into 4, and then we have to write 4 square. So 4 square, we have to write down 16 below, and 2 into 6 is 12, and 12 into 4 is 48. Write down below it. And next 6 square is 36. Write down. And the next step here is we have to take the units place in 16, because whatever we are doing, it should be from right to left. So take down 6 and write it in the units place, and 1 in 16 should be carried forward to 48, and it should be added. 48 plus 1 is 49. So write 9 below, and then in that 49, 4 is carried forward to 36. Add 4 to 36. By adding 4 to 36, we will get 40. So our answer for 64 square is 4096. And we will see the answer for 46 square. So a square is 4 square, and the 2ab is 2 into 4 into 6. And next b square is 6 square. So 6 square is 36, and 2 into 4 into 6. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 6 are 48. Write it down below. And next 4 square is 16. Write down below. And now here, as we have to do it from right to left, we'll write the units place 6 first, and then 3 in this should be carried forward to 48. So we have to add 3 plus 48, that is 51. So write down 1 below in 51, and 5 in this should be carried forward to 16. So 16 plus 5, it becomes 21. So our desired answer for 46 square is 2116. So if you practice this well, friends, it will be very easy in your competitive examinations. So practice well and score well. Hope you understood the concepts and tricks, friends. Stay tuned with us for more concepts and tricks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.